Hello, in this video I'll show you this Barcelona Rafinha jersey and also how you can buy it for only $15 on this Minejersey website. But let's start with the jersey now. It's this neon green jersey. It looks beautiful with this blue Barcelona logo on the chest. This is the player version jersey, which means that, as you can see, all these logos are printed on it, but from a very high quality material, as well as the vertical Nike logo. And pay attention to the material as well, these 3D stripes on it, so you can really feel them with your fingers. And then this is size L. For player version jerseys, maybe you should go one size up because they are made slim fit, and also if you have a slim body will fit you like football players. And then here you have on the arm the sponsor logo, which is also heat pressed, and the other sleeve is blank, but you can order always some badges for a small additional fee. And then you have all the little badges on the bottom of the jersey, so to every detail they pay attention. You can again see the dry fit logo on the other side of the jersey, and everywhere these 3D stripes, which I emphasize because they look amazing. You can touch them, you can feel them. It makes the jersey more breathable. So yeah, the jersey looks amazing on the front and also on the back, because here it has the sponsor logo. And also the original letters and numbers for the name and number of the player. As you can see, even these little dots, the name with these green stripes in it. So basically the original font the players wear, and I think that this is amazing. And you can choose not only any player from Barcelona, but basically any name you want, any number you want. The neck, even the small Catalonia flag, as I said. And I also want to emphasize this as well, that every detail is made with highest precision. And how you can buy this jersey for $15? Well, you can use two coupons at the same time. For example, first some coupon codes from the Facebook group, and then you can use also cash coupon, for example by using my invitation link, but also for example by creating these videos after you order your first jersey. So thank you, use my code if you don't have an account. Goodbye.